Repair Top Doorslammer #1 qualifying session. First qualifier here, Saturday, bonfire salute, brought to you by Grand Rapids Machine Repair. The Pro Tree action here. Eric Johnson taking on Tom Whitaker. A couple cars you'd see in bracket 1. Good race here for a qualifier, 490. Well, if that was a 490 index, he'd have been dead 0-0. But that is a new track record for pickup trucks. 490 with a 0, 145 for the Onekama racer, Eric Johnson, in his Chevy S10. So that's the first qualifying pair. So he'll be the #1 qualifier, 531 for Tom Whitaker, right side, 130 miles per hour. Good first matchup there in our first qualifying session. Yep. We are live on Facebook, North Michigan Driveway Facebook page. Got Cody near left lane, the Pontiac out of Roscommon. Near's logging. Well, I understand the fastest, the stock bottom engine here on the property. Taking on the Be Cool Radiators Nova. From Luther, it's Jim Bacon. Also for Lou McClear. Qualifying matchup, left lane 554 to 125 miles per hour, 570 to 122 for Bacon. I believe I hear a Blue Mamba firing up. Got a card. Got Dylan Bro, the crew chief, backing up Ron Bro. Grand Rapids Machine Repair entry, 66 Chevy 2. He ran a 451 earlier, time trial. Went downstate testing earlier this year, couldn't get the car down the track. Definitely hooked up hard, and I think that was equal to his best pass ever. Belmont, Michigan, 66 Chevy 2, 540 cubic inches blown. For Grand Rapids Machine Repair, Ron Bro ready to make a qualifying attempt here in our Woodstar Forestry lane. Got a little out of shape there, but brought her back in. 463, 153 miles per hour.
The top ones are pretty good too.
108 60 footer, 299 in the 330. So there's your new #1 qualifier. Ron Bro for Grand Rapids Machine Repair. The Blue Mamba 66 Chevy 2. been the fastest of all of our top door slammers that are entered so far. Bill Hikus for the Hikus Body Shop in Honor. It's a 1937 Chevy. So 37 Chevy, 515 cubic inches. Talked to Bill Thursday, says he's just got working on the car this week, and here he is out. Not shifting. Brought her back in 498, 116. It did not want to shift. He was on a good pass. Look at this 60-footer, guys. He was on one. 996 60-footer. That might be his best 60-footer. But for whatever reason, he got out there 200 feet. It was supposed to hit the power glide second gear and did not happen. On the limiter all the way through. And he's probably looking down the shifter. That's probably why he got a little out of shape. He's like, why is this thing not shifting? But a great first round of qualifying. Let's have a round of applause for our Grand Rapids Machine Repair Top Doorslammers. First round of qualifying. You got 3 of them in the 4s and 4 5-second machines.